Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about in operator in SQL statements. In operator will use for multiple values. We can compare with the value of column value, which column we are going to comparing. And if it is matched, we'll get the result set as an output. If it is not matched, the result set will omit that particular row. In simple way, we'll see how it is. It's a simple query is in a statement is SQL start from employees where it is in advanced to using like a in operator simply from the last name is having in like simply you'll see here where the column name it is in a last underscore name which is consist of the operator helper using in with the parenthesis and multiple values we need to specify inside the parenthesis with the double single quotes comma double quotes single quotes comma space double like a single quote again the third value I'm mentioning three values over here like one thing I am mentioning here which is the name is available in by using the in operator and John one more name I am operating mentioning here and Chalhan is the name which is available I'm using. See now I don't know what are the names, whether these are the names are available or not in my database, and I don't have any option to find out whether it is there exactly or not. Now see by using the last name column with the using help of in operator, finding whether this name is matching or not. Now see here, I'm executing this query by pressing F5 or run this. Yes, one thing is matched. The king row is matching. Now the receive the result set. The last name king is matching here, hence we get the result set. One more thing, this is also to be matched there because we have a there, which is the row I have mentioned in there. See, yeah, there is no H here. CALLA colon. Now we'll run FY. Two rows we will get. Yes, absolutely. Beauty. How the John operate like in operator is functioning. Very much pretty easy. Likewise, you don't know whether the particular country name is available in your database or not. Likewise, the country name of the country you have specified the column name. You assume it and name like a country as in a name which is in a country name. COUNTRY country in like you can specify USA and India and Canada. Simply exercise I'm telling you. I have mentioned three names over here, either small letters or capital letters. You can take it as you wish to write. Now see, I'm verifying these three rows are available. Like these three row data are these three records are available in my database or not. I don't know. I'm straight away execute likewise preparing my query is like select start from countries table where country name is available in this column. That column is identified, verifying and comparing with these values, three values. If it is the matching rows are there, it will output you is a result set in the result set of like this. It will get you the output if you are executing. At present, I don't have any country table here, and I'm written like this. Yeah, I have a states of US states here. We'll see what are the US states here. Yeah, US states. We'll see how it is. Execute. Yeah, Alabama, Alaska, and Arizona. Likewise, you can like a state name we have to mention here. State underscore name like Alabama is there and Alaska is there. And one more thing, Canada I'll mention over there and execute. I'll get only two rows only, which is available and matching that particular row, it will come automatically, and which is not available, which will be omitting. Like multiple names and multiple parameter values with the help of comma with the in in single quotes. With the help of comma, we can compare with the values and we'll fetch the data rows as an output. It's very pretty easy, and identifying the rows if you don't know about the data which is available or not in your database. All right, like search condition, we can say that simply. Based on the search condition, we'll find out the row. If found, we can get it, or else we can omit it. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.